Hey guys, my name is Afsul. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to change the color of your footage over time in your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Well, let's begin by bringing the video onto the timeline first. And if you've been editing videos, you know that you can easily change the color of your footage by going to the hue and create 3 points and like that. But since this graph does not have any capacity or ability to add keyframes to it, and if you have ever wanted to change the color of your videos during the playback has started, well, there's a trick to it. Like the video, save it for future reference, and let's create that trick. First of all, bring the video onto the timeline and then go to the new items, create an adjustment layer, bring the adjustment layer on top of the video clip, adjust it to the size of that video clip, and now click on the video clip, go to the hue versus hue, and you can adjust it like that. And from here, let's say you want it to begin at 1 second, click on the adjustment layer, go to the effects control panel, come down to opacity, and create a keyframe over here. So the first one would be 0. Now move 5 frames ahead and create another one for 100. And I believe, let's play the video and watch it together. Well, that is beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, if you like watching such content, please do consider subscribing to the channel, hit the like button, and as always, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.